baborwe gotia gusaga nibitaseni by'abanyanyimbo okuno kobori kurwase mu Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja okona nabariki bamwana maje no kurwase cyajogo house gaso mu cyona nigo Kanja bagokora kibura burukinga kicemesangerekano ya gesiasa nabo ase okorobekana gose ase okorobekana asatebere nigo chikomukerwa egetambukero egetidike RICHIKO ase boigaru kuburi ABANYANYIMBO KOBWATIA RICHIKO chingaki bakorwa oborendi gose ase OBOKORERI BWABO.
Today I address a matter of urgent national concern, a disturbing pattern of coordinated and escalating lawlessness, including attacks on police stations, law enforcement officers, and critical infrastructures. These incidents have been reported across several counties countrywide. The National Police Service unequivocally these criminal acts. They are not merely unlawful, they represent a grave and direct assault on national public safety and community stability. The agency of a decisive police at the first line of defense. To attack a police station is to attack the very security of the public it serves. We further reiterate that the alarming surge in political violence and thuggery instigated by leaders across the political divide through use of goons and criminal gangs constitutes a direct threat to national security and will not be tolerated. We warn all persons involved to cease and desist immediately from such criminality. Failure to do so will result in the application of the full force of the law. The Constitution, the National Police Service Act, and all relevant statutes. Every action, whether during patrols, investigations, arrests, or public order management, must be lawful, must be proportionate and professional. Respect for human rights, due process, and the rule of law is non-negotiable.